Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 21, chapter number 5, basic concept of permutations and combinations. Now, let us start with the remaining questions. Question number 18. If two school teams are if 12 school teams are participating in a quiz contest, then the number of ways the first, second and third position may be won is. Here 12 school team, total number of 12 school team. So for the first position, all the 12 school teams are participated. Okay, so 12. Now here we have to find out the number of ways, so multiply. So for the second position, now for second position 12 minus 1, because one team is already selected, or sorry, one team is already at first position, so 12 minus 1, 11 teams are remaining for second position. Now for the third position, 12 minus 2, third position. So 12 minus 1, 11, 12 minus 2, 10. 120 multiply with 11, so 1320. So answer is B. Next question. The sum of all 4-digit number containing the digits 2, 4, 6, 8 without repetition is. The sum of all 4-digit number. Here sum of all 4-digit means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Total is 20. Here we require 4-digit number. So 4 factorial, 4 3s are 2s are 1s are. So and total digits are 4. So 4 factorial by 4. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 4, 4 cancel, 6. Here we require the sum of all 4-digit number containing the digits. 4-digit number with containing the digit. So 4 factorial by 4 multiply with the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 into 1 1 1 1 without repetition. So 1 1 1 1, 1 factorial 1 factorial 1 factorial 1 sorry 1 factorial 1 1 1 1, 4 position 1 2 1 2 3 and 4. So here 4 factorial by 4 into 20 into 1 1 1. Here 4 factorial by 4 is 6 into 20 into 1 1 1. 26 are 120. Multiply with 1 1 1. So answer is 1,33,320. So answer D is the correct answer. Now next, the number of 4-digit numbers greater than 5,000 can be formed out of the digit 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Number of digit is repeated. The number of such is, now here first write down the digit 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now 5,000 greater than the 5,000. So 5, 6, 7, because if we write 3 or 4 at first position, the number becomes lower than the 5,000. So here we require 5, 6, 7 at first position. First position. Now 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3. First, second, third and fourth. Here 4 total number of space is 4, or we required the 3. So 4p3, same way for 6, 4p3, 4p3, 4, 3 into 2. So here you can also write as, here you can also write as, there are 3 times 4p3, 1, 2 and 3. So 3, 4, p3. So 3, 4p3 means 4 into 3 into 2. So 3 into 24 is equal to 72. So option A is the right answer. 4-digit numbers to be formed out of the figures 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No digit is repeated. Then number of such numbers is 4-digit numbers to be formed out of the figures 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No digit is repeated. Then number of such number is, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 0. If 0 put at the first position, then 0 can't be count. So take 5, p4, because total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we added 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to select 4 number from this. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 5 4s are 20, 3s are 60, 2s are 120. Now we have to minus first place of 0. So 5 minus 1 p, 4 minus 1 from the n or r. So 5 minus 1 4 p, 4 minus 1 3, 4p3 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2, 24. Okay. Here total number of arrangement is 120 minus 0's first place is 24. So 120 minus 24 is equal to 96. So the answer is 96. Or you can write from direct formula is NPR minus n minus 1p r minus 1. Okay. Next question. The number of ways the letters of the word triangle to be arranged so that the word angle will be always present is. Here T R I A N G L E. So angle at this position. So first, second, third and fourth. So 4 factorial, 4 3s are 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. So the answer is C, 24. Next is, if the letters word daughter are to be arranged so that vowels occupy the odd places, then number of different words are. Here vowels are, first write down daughter, spelling of daughter DAUGHTER. Okay. Now vowel AU and E. AUE vowel and other letters DGHTR. Total number of letter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Odd places 1 3 5 and 7. And number of vowel, there is 4 position, 1 2 3 and 4, and total number of vowel 3. So place is equal to 4, and vowel, number of places, number of vowel is equal to 3, and total these letters are 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 4 factorial or 4p3 is equal to 4 factorial upon 4 minus 3 factorial is equal to 4 factorial upon 1 factorial. Or here 1 2 3 4 and 5, 5 letters DGHTR. So multiply with this 4 factorial, multiply with 5 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24, multiply with 120. So the answer is 12 4s are 48. 8. 12 2s are 24 plus 4 28. So 2880. So the answer is option number A, 2880. Now circular permutations. Circular permutations. So far we have discussed arrangement of objects or things in a row, which may be termed as linear permutation. But if we arrange the objects along a closed curve or closed circle or closed loop, the permutations are known as a circular permutations. The number of circular permutations of n different things chosen at a time is n minus 1 factorial. N ordinary permutations equal 1 circle permutation. N ordinary permutations equal 1 circle permutations. There are npn by n ways in which all the n things can be arranged in a circle. This equal to n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Same way, D, A, B, C. C, D, A, B. B, C, D, A. Especially, it can be better understand if we consider ABCD. If we place ABCD in order, then we also get ABCD, DABC, CDAB, BCDA as 4 ordinary permutations. These 4 words in circular case are one and the same thing. See the circles. See circles. Okay. Now, example 1. In how many ways can 4 persons sit at a round table? Round table means circular permutations for a group discussions. Here, for circular permutation, you have to use n minus 1 factorial. Okay. The answer can be get from the formula for circular permutations. The answer is n minus 1 factorial. Here, person, total number of person is 4. So 4 minus 1 factorial is equal to 3 factorial. 3 2s are into 1. 3 2s are 6 into 1. 6. So 6 ways. Now focus on note. These arrangements are such that every person has got the same 2 neighbors. The only change is that the right side neighbor and vice versa. Thus, the number of ways of arranging n persons along a round table so that no person has the same 2 neighbors is 1 by 2 into n minus 1 factorial. Next, permutation with restrictions. Now, theorem 1. Number of permutations of n distinct objects taken are at a time. Total number of objects is n. Taken are at a time. When a particular object is not taken in any arrangement is n minus 1 p r. When a particular object means one object is not taken in any arrangement, so minus, we have to minus it from the total object, so n minus 1 p r. Theorem 2. Number of permutations of r objects out of n distinct objects when a particular object is always included in any arrangement is r. Number of permutations of r objects out of n distinct objects when a particular object is always included in any arrangement, so it is n minus 1 p r minus 1. Now example number 1. How many arrangements can be made out of the letters of the word DRAUGHT the vowels never being separated. Vowels means AU. The word DRAUGHT consists of 7 letters, of which 5 are consonants and 2 are vowels. AU is vowel. In the arrangement, we are to take all the 7 letters, but the restriction is that the 2 vowels should not be separated. We can view the 2 vowels as one letter. We can view as the two vowels as the one letter. The 2 vowels A and U is the one letter can be arranged in 2 factorial. So 2 ways, AU or UA. Further, we can arrange the 6 letter, 5 consonants and 1 letter compound letter consisting of 2 vowels. The total number of ways of arranging them is 6p6. 6p6. So 6 factorial npn is equal to n factorial. Here 6p6 is equal to 6 factorial. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 720 ways. Hence, by the fundamental principle, the total number of arrangements of the letter of the word drought, DRAUGHT, the vowels never being separated. So 2 for AU multiply with 720. Because here we have taken AU as one letter. So remaining is DRGHT, 5 letter. Second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So 6p6 and 720 ways. After this, for AU is 2 letter word. So AU and UA. So AU and UA. So A and U arranged by 2 ways. So 2 factorial is equal to 2. So 2 multiply with 720. 1440 ways. There are 6 books on economics, 3 on mathematics and 2 on accountancy. In how many ways can this be placed on a shelf if the books on the same subject are to be together? Consider one such arrangement. 6 economics books can be arranged among themselves in 6 factorial. 6 books on economics ways. 3 mathematics books, so 3 factorial. 2 books on accountancy can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Consider the books on each subject is 1 unit. Now there are 3 units. These 3 units can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So economics, mathematics and accountancy 3 unit, so 3 factorial. For economics 6 book, 6 factorial. For mathematics 3 book, 3 factorial. And for accountancy 2 book, 2 factorial. So multiply all these. 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. After multiplying these, we will get the answer 51,840. Next, example number 4. How many different numbers can be formed by using any 3 out of 5 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No digit being repeated in any number. How many of these will first begin with a specified digit? Second is begin with a specified digit and end with another specified digit. Now the solution is, here we have 5 different digits, and we have to find out the number of permutations of them, 3 at a time. 3 out of 5. So 5p3, 5 into 4 into 3 is equal to 60. Okay. Now for the first, begin with a specified digit. If the number begin with a specified digit, then we have to find out the number of permutation of the remaining 4 digit, taken 2 at a time. Thus the desired number is 4p2. 4 3s is equal to 12. Here 3 digits are used, 5 p3. So remaining is 2 digits. So 4 p2. Here 2 digits are fixed. 2 digits are fixed, first and last. Hence we are left with the choice of finding the numbers of permutations of 3 things, taken one at a time. So 3p1 is equal to 3. Next, example number 5. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed out of the digit 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9? If no digit is repeated in any number, how many of these will be greater than 3000? Here, total digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 different digits. And 4-digit number is to be formed using any 4 of these digit. So 7 number of total number and selected 4. 7p4. So 840 ways. Next, there is a restriction that the 4-digit number so formed must be greater than 3000. Must be greater than 3000. Thus it will be so if the first digit that in the thousands position is one of the 5 digits 35789. 35789, because we require the number greater than the 3000. Okay, hence the first digit can be chosen in 5 different ways. When this is done, the rest of the 3 digits are to be chosen from the rest of the 6 digit without any restriction, and this can be done in 6p 3 ways. Hence, by the fundamental principle, we have the number of 4-digit numbers greater than 3000 that can be formed by taking 4 digit from the given 7 digit. So 5 multiply with 6p3. So 5 into 6 into 5 into 4 is equal to 5 into 120 is equal to 600. Is equal to 600. Example number 6. Find the total number of numbers greater than 2000 that can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No digit being repeated in any number. Here, all the 5-digit numbers that can be formed with the given 5 digits are greater than 2000. This can be done in 5p5 is equal to 5 factorial is equal to 120 ways. The 4-digit numbers that can be formed with any 4 of the given 5 digits are greater than 2000 if the first digit, the digit in the thousands position, is one of the 4 digit 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be done in 4p1 is equal to 4 ways. When this is done, the rest of the 3 digits are to be chosen from the rest of 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 digits. This can be done in 4p3. 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24 ways. Therefore, by the fundamental principle, the number of 4-digit numbers greater than 2000, total number don't consider 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number. Multiply with 24 is equal to 96. Adding 1 and 2, we find the total number greater than 2000. 2b 120 plus 96 is equal to 216. Now, example number 7. There are 6 students of whom 2 are Indians, 2 Americans, and the remaining 2 are Russians. They have to stand in a row for a photograph so that the 2 Indians are together, the 2 Americans are together, and so also the 2 Russians. Find the number of ways in which they can do so. The 2 Indians solution is the 2 Indians can stand together in 2p2 form. So 2 factorial is equal to 2 ways. So is the case with the 2 Americans and the 2 Russians also. Now these 3 groups of each, 3 groups, Indian, Americans and Russians, of 2 each can stand up in row in 3p3 is equal to 3 factorial 3 into 2 is equal to 6 ways. Hence, by the generalized fundamental principle, the total number of ways in which they can stand for a photographer under given condition is 6 into 4 Indians, 2, same way for Americans 2, and for same way Russians 2. So it is 48. Next one is example number 8. A family of 4 brothers. Family of 4 brothers and 3 sisters is to be arranged for a photograph in one row. In how many ways can they be seated if first all the sisters sit together, second no 2 sisters still together? Now the solution is consider the sister as 1 unit and each brother as 1 unit. 4 brothers and 3 sisters make 5 units, which can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Again, 3 sisters may be arranged amongst themselves in 3 factorial ways. Therefore, the total number of ways in which all the sisters sit together, 5 factorial into 3 factorial is equal to 720 ways. Now for the second, number no 2 sisters sit together. In this case, each sister must sit on each side of the brothers. There are 5 such positions as indicated below by upward arrows. B1, B2, B3, B4. 4 brothers may be arranged amongst themselves in 4 factorial ways. For each of these arrangement, 3 sisters can sit in the 5 places in 5p3 ways. So NPR 5p3 into 4 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 4 factorial. 5 4 za 23 za 60. Multiply with 24. 1440. Answer is 1440. Example number 9. In how many ways can 8 persons be seated at a round table? In how many cases will two particular persons sit together? This is in form of circular permutations. Hence, the number of ways in which 8 persons can be seated at a round table is n minus 1 factorial is equal to 8 minus 1 factorial. So, 7 factorial. So, 5040 ways. Consider the two particular person as one person. Then the group of 8 person become a group of 7. With the restriction that the two particular persons be together, and 7 persons can be arranged in a circular in 6 factorial ways. Hence, by the fundamental principle, we have the total number of cases in which two particular persons sit together in a circular arrangement of 8 persons. So, 2 factorial multiply with 6 factorial. So, the answer is 1440. Example number 10. Six boys and 5 girls are to be seated for a photograph in a row such that no 2 girls sit together and no 2 boys sit together. Find the number of ways in which this can be done. Now the solution is, suppose that we have 11 chairs in a row and we want the 6 boys and 5 girls to be seated such that no 2 girls and no 2 boys are together. If we number the chair from left to right, the arrangement will be possible if and only if boys occupy the odd places and the girls occupy the even places in the row. The 6 odd places from 1 to 11 may filled in by 6 boys in 6p6 ways. Similarly, the 5 even places from 2 to 10 may be filled in by 5 girls in 5p5 ways. So hence 6p6 into 5p5, 6 factorial into 5 factorial, it is 720 into 120 is 86,400. Here 6 boys and 5 girls are to be seated that no 2 girls sit together and no 2 boys sit together. Find the number of ways in which this can be done. This lecture is over here. So see you soon. Bye bye. Next time we will discuss or solve the questions regarding circular permutation. Okay. So thank you. Bye bye.